up, guys? This is my first official break on film. I'm going to be breaking a box of NFL Draft 2008. It's got 5 rookie autos and 2 rookie exclusives. So hopefully we'll get something good. And I'm going to get started. Went ahead and saved y'all the trouble of not watching me open the box. So here we go. Hopefully we'll get something good. Dorian Bryant. I'm just going to kind of scan through anything that's not super special. Chardonnay Hall, Ross Jackson, Jake Ikaluna, or some crap. That's my boy. That is my boy. Eric Ainge, future starter of the New York Jets. And it's an auto. That's sweet. Draft edition conference clashes. Even though LSU and Miami are not in the same conference, I don't get that. And a couple other regular cards. Cedric Benson just got traded off the Chicago Bears. What's we got here? Philip somebody, Keith Rivers, another Eric Ainge to go with that auto. I like that. It's a good box for me so far. Glenn Dorsey, be badass. Trevor Laws. I hope y'all can see these okay. Trey Thomas. Here's another auto. Mario Urrutia from Louisville. That's cool. So that's 2 autos in the first 2 packs. That's tight. I'm gonna set y'all up a little bit better. Then we got another, or no, this is, the campus, or my bad, Alumni Association with Mark Hart and Jake Long. That's kind of cool, little insert. Games Adams and Brody Kroll. Sweet, I'm liking my box already. Not only is this auto, but it's that red foil auto, numbered out of 125. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's 15 of 125. Sweet. Quentin Dents, Craig Stelz, Tashard Choice, Mario Utero or whatever again, James Hardy, Ellie Doucette, another auto. That's 3 in a row, I believe. Oh yeah, 3 packs in a row. This is Owen Schmidt, West Virginia. What we got here? LSU and Illinois. Pigskin pairings. It's Ollie Highsmith and Jay Lemon. Don't really know those guys. Andre Johnson and Edgerrin James. Hopefully Edgerrin James will do better. He's been slacking off the last couple years. Yeah, he plays with the Cardinals. But oh well. Let's see. Malcolm Kelly. Bruce Davis. Chris Ellis, Chavis Jackson, Mike Jenkins, Jalen, another auto. Wow, all my autos are on top. Lawrence Jackson of USC, so that's kind of tight. I'm sure there's some USC fans out there. Get a Franchise Foundations, Jake Long and Sam Baker. Insert, Calvin Johnson, Deion Branch. I kind of want to be separating the inserts, but I like that. Let's see what else we got. So what do we got? Yeah, 4 autos. 5 autos. 4 autos, my bad. 4 autos. In case you can't tell, I got a little dog over here. I'm a Tennessee fan. Ben Moffitt. Oh. Paul Smith. Jacob Hester. Chris Long. Vince Hall, Ryan Torian, James Hardy, another Alumni Association with Matt Leinart and Reggie Bush, Antonio Cromartie, Charles Woodson. Okay. Kentwan Bomber, Darren McFadden rookie. That's cool. Been getting a lot of those in a lot of boxes. Sold some on eBay. John Booty, Kellen Davis, Antonio Casey, Sam Baker. What's this? Alumni Association. It's blue. It's different from the other ones. It's not numbered or anything. It's got Matt Ryan and DeJuan Treble. Second, Franchise Foundations with Glenn Dorsey and Cedric Ellis. Lee Evans,